What can one expect in terms of hair restoration under treatment? This is a very important question because this is why we are getting treated, isn't it? People who have come back to us regularly as they take the treatment that we have recommended or that our doctors have prescribed have shown major regrowth, nearly on the whole scalp. The publications over anti-DHT products, and the most effective under them, shows more than 85% regrowth of the follicles which were dormant or not active. So we can expect a very good result. It's difficult to say that one is going to get 100% restoration. It is happening from time to time. It is not certain. But what is clear is that there is regrowth on the areas where the hair was lost. There is prevention of more hair loss in the areas which were still not reached by the DHT. So we can expect to see results. Now, how fast? The beginning of the treatment is going to help the follicles get out of their dormant situation. They are going to regrow in size. They are going to start to have cell reproduction. They are going to gather keratin to make a new hair. So when you start treatment, you don't expect to start seeing hair coming out to the surface before 3 months. But then after that, this baby hair which regrows becomes stronger, and within 6 months, you really see very good results in coverage. In some cases, people see full recovery within a year.